This video will show you exactly the step-by-step formula you need to grow an audience. But first, I need to tell you why clicking on this video was a mistake. And if you give this video a chance, it will change the way you see YouTube forever. YouTube Growth Hacks has more than 2,000 searches a month, and there are hundreds of videos talking about how you can hack your way through YouTube. But they all miss one very important fact. Hacking your way through the algorithm isn't just a less effective way of growing your audience, it's also much harder. Because algorithms are constantly evolving, and every time there's an exploit, it will eventually be fixed as algorithms become smarter, leaving you to find a new way to game the system, which causes a lot of people to quit making videos. As a marketer who grows brands for a living, I have a much better and easier way of doing it. YouTube, like many forms of audience building, is simple. You basically need to use an equation marketers have been using for decades. You solve real problems for real people, you package them in a way that these people will find attractive, and then you push it out to make sure it reaches the right people. But let me actually show you how you do this. So let's start where most creators get it wrong: the problem. Most creators fall into one of two buckets, either making videos that they like or making videos that they think is going to work for YouTube. But not a lot of people are creating content to solve a problem. Every successful content creator out there is solving a problem that exists for a specific audience. A great example is Hayden Hillier-Smith, Logan Paul's editor. His channel exists to help people edit better. A clear solution to a clear problem. It might not be exactly what you want to make, but it's exactly what your viewers want and need to watch to fix the problem. But this isn't the whole story. And this is because of the second most common problem that faces creators nowadays. And it's the packaging. Your title and thumbnail are going to make or break your video. And hence why you need to learn to package things in an interesting way. But here's where most videos fall short. They show you other thumbnails that have been doing well, so you try to copy those thumbnails in hope that the YouTube algorithm is going to bless you. But you're still in a hacking the system mindset. Don't think of what's working for another YouTuber. Don't think of what thumbnails the algorithm will like. You need to think of, how do I package this video in a way that my audience is going to love? This video from Peter McKinnon is one that I watch over and over again. Because one of the things I'm trying to do is build a brand that isn't for everyone. A brand that's for a specific type of person that will really resonate with the content. So when I saw this video, I couldn't help but click on it. Why? The title, for one, it literally describes a problem that I think about on a daily basis, and the thumbnail. You see him having a questioning face, so I know that me and him share the same sense of curiosity here. And there are also subtle hints about a brand in the thumbnail, making me feel that this video is going to be a practical case study video, where he's probably going to explain how he built a brand that wasn't for everyone. And voila, he gets the click. But to be honest with you, if you're watching this video, you probably don't want to hack your way through the system by creating bad content or trying to do clickbaity titles and thumbnails. You're actually trying to create good content, but people still aren't seeing your videos. And this is where my marketing expertise can help. The third rule of content marketing, after creating something and packaging it, is to push it out. What most people get wrong is they push it out to everyone. You need to think less about the numbers and more about the exact type of viewer that is going to love your content and resonate with it, because that is the only way to grow an audience. Most people tie a video's success with how many numbers it's getting. However, if you start tying your videos by the amount of people it really resonates with, in the long term, you will grow exponentially, rather than keep fighting for more and more numbers when a video of yours resonates with someone. And I mean really resonates with someone. It solves their problem so specifically that they can't help but watch every video and share your videos to everyone else. You are not just creating an audience, you are creating marketers for your brand. And when they start sharing it, they'll probably share it to more people that really resonate with your brand. So when you're pushing your content out, if you're distributing it on other social media platforms, in communities, you need to push it out as if you're pushing it out to a singular person. Because if you're just creating videos for everyone, it's very difficult to stand out. And you never build your own audience, because no one will feel like you're speaking directly to them. Or just continue gaming the system. I'm sure you're going to beat 1 trillion dollar company. But if you want to continue resonating with an audience, telling stories is vital. So watching this video will teach you exactly how to do that. I'll see you guys in the next one.